So 104 hours. We can have a computer printout for that. Two-tone T-top. You turn on all the bait wells and everything. Can you turn on all the bait wells?
I don't know if it's
yeah. You can turn that one off.
I got a 3 batteries set up there and a charger, and then plug the charger there, I'll mount it on the side.
Okay, yeah. See it. How was the batteries? 2 years. And it was just serviced, right?
It was just full service 2 hours ago.
Okay. And was the gauge just left on, or is it a new gauge?
What's that?
The gauge that says 204 hours, but it's really 100 hours, right?
It's 104 hours.
Okay. The gauge just says 204?
What gauge?
Spreader lights. Upholstery looks good. When was the upholstery done?
I just had the upholstery done about a year and a half ago.
Okay.
It's all new. The radar.
Room for a head if you want. There's a lot of room in there. Rockford Fosgate amps. Tackle storage.
Upgraded stereo system. I even have a structure.
Oh, side scan?
Yeah, I got the structure and the regular sonar.
Okay. Fresh water and raw water wash down, right?
Yeah.
Plenty of pool storage too.